So the reason why, um, yeah, I think research is so important as a doctor. It's important for medicine, period. I think having evidence-based research combined with evidence-based practice ensures that we uphold that NHS, think, value of that commitment to high quality care for patients. Um, I think research, even in this current climate, has allowed us to identify a vaccine. It's allowed us to identify different strains, rapidly produce a vaccine, sorry. And I think it's really allowed us to have different interventions to diseases that we thought that, previously was untreatable. From cancer to 3D printing of organs to, um, you know, identifying the whole human genome and having more individualized treatments. I think it's ensuring the quality of research. What quality of research? And it's very important to recognize that the diseases that affect the population 100 years ago is not the same as now. So we need to ensure that we have that constant research, even the quality control of how the services are being run, how the NHS is being run. Everything could be better. We should have that commitment to always want to improve, um, which is what the N stands for, and receiving back feedback and finding ways to improve on the feedback that we receive. So, but the reason why, and yeah, during my dissertation, I really saw the impact of that. But the reason why I like to study medicine is because I really love that human interaction, talking with patients, communicating with patients, and directly, trying to improve their health. That is something, that hands-on approach with patients, having that contact is what draws me to medicine. Shadowing an F1 in A&E and watching him, have a patient not knowing the source of infection, and going to take a patient history and talking to the patient, trying to, narrow down of, what happened, asking all these lovely questions to rule out differentials. He then, did a patient examination, and yeah, I learned about percussion and things like that. And from that, he had to order some lab results, blood cultures, and things like that, and eventually find the right antibiotics to give him, and gave him instructions on that. And I think having that patient contact and also using your problem solving skills to sort of be a detective and finding all those right pieces of the puzzle, something that draws me to medicine, and having that opportunity to also have and do research alongside, because I know how important it is. During my dissertation, I realized how medicine and research, sorry, can impact communities and how important it is. So I think I would prefer to study medicine just because, it's a wonderful thing to meet and interact with people from all walks of life and different backgrounds. And that's something that draws me to medicine instead, of, a PhD, which I know is just as equally important to ensuring that the NHS delivers high quality care.